Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is
KGR. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on this 2009 Acura. I'm going to bring you along and show you exactly what is going on. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would say that KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right. If you look right up here, this is what's going on. The upper controller. Just watch when I shake it up. See that? Wobbling right there. So when that thing is making noise like that, you know it's time for you to replace it. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So to do this job, we have to take off this guy. There are two bolts right in here. So that bolt you won't be able to, you can be able to lose it, but you can't be able to bring it out because the spring, the shocks, is gonna be obstructing it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lose this guy, then we're gonna lose this right at the bottom there. Then I'm gonna lose it on top there to drop this struts a little bit. Then once I do that, I will have room to be able to take off that guy. So having said that, let's go ahead. Let's go to work. So I'm gonna go ahead now and take off this cut up pin right here. So we'll cut up pin right here, just straighten it a little bit there. And use this guy to bring it out. I see right there. One is up. So we're gonna break it loose. I think it's a 14, 17, 17. So this swivel is gonna work really good right here. That's it, 18. Yeah, that's 18. Okay, this is a 17. So this will work right here. Use this guy. This guy right there. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom. Spend your money. You always have a kid there. I'll be able to do all of that now with this gun. Because the gun is holding or something. Well, put together in there. So just like that, bada boom, bada boom. That one is off. So we're gonna come out, give you a little bit of walk. There we go. We have that movement already. So just gonna go ahead and take out that. See, if the spring wasn't there, it was just going to be an easy job like boom, 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 boom. But because of the spring there, that's why we have to drop this struts a little bit. So let me get a tooth right here. So what we're going to do next, let me move this guy. We're going to lose this guy right here. So that guy right there, we lose that. So we can be able to drop this thing, then we'll go on top of it. So let me go ahead and take up that. So I took out this bolt, the 17. So I'm gonna go up there and just on this bolt right now. This one right here, this one. So this one is kind of holding this right here. So I might have to use a flat. I'll start to do that. Let me go ahead and. So as you can see now, see the shocks is right out of the way. So it's just easy. You get easy access to those two bolts now. Go ahead and make it very easy. So let me go ahead and break those two loose. All right, see we are in right there. Easy, break it loose already. I got my 14 now to run that boy out. Well, let me get my short 14. Make it quick. Honey, you will be the happiest man in the world. I bought this about $100 and something. It can't be that. It makes your job, make life easy for you. So we'll move it to the other side like this. Bring it down this way like this. I'll go ahead and lose the other bolt there. I'll break it loose already. like that. And get the other one on. There we go. So now we can push this guy up like this. See, the guy will be out just like that. Bada boom, 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 boom. See all this thing there? Look at it. Let's examine it. Let me show you guys. Let's examine this. Let's feed the camera properly. Give me a second. I'm gonna do some examination now. Let's see how the guy looks. See, just watch here. See that? You can even see how bad it is. See the guy just wiggling up and down, like wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. See the other one? Winging, 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 winging. So let's bring the new one right from AutoZone. I'll show you the part number and go ahead and sorry about it. Shaky camera. What the heck, KG? What are you doing today? Balance your camera, boy. Camera is moving up. Oh, no. Stay right there. I'm coming over there. Stay right there. Alright, so this is it right here. Hope you guys can see it. There's a part number from AutoZone. Gonna bring it up. Bring it up. There's a guy right there. Make sure when you buy this, there's left and right. Make sure you keep that cutter pin right there. Gonna need that here out. There's left and right. See right there, the arrow stands for right. Okay? Right there. Okay, we got the right one. So I'm gonna stop the camera and tell the customer. We'll be right back, KG said. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead now. Bring the new one. Take out this. We're gonna go in here just like that. Put the guy in there. If I'm not blocking the camera, I don't like to block the camera because sometimes the camera can be standing on my way. And you know, even when the camera is standing in your way, you still have to do your job. And make sure you do your job correctly. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. We'll lift up this guy just like we did before. So we're gonna go in there and pass that boat. The boat in there. See if I can see it. Not yet. Gotta go up a little bit. Just a little bit. See if I can knock it with this. There we go. I'm gonna pull it back a little bit. Pull it back. KG, pull it back a little bit. Boat there now. Go ahead and tread that boat. Tread that boat there. Okay, I got it. Just make sure you tread it with your hand. Don't force it. Okay, if you force it, it's gonna be a nightmare. It's gonna be a nightmare for you, you know. You can turn one little thing to become a gigantic mess, bro. So just make sure use your hand to tread it really good. And force it. Like I said. So you know that something is treading there. I haven't got this one. Okay, there we go. Because there's a little hole there. Once it goes in, trust me, you will know that you're there. You will know. You just have to use your hand. play with it around and make sure. I think I got it now, so let me go ahead and start to thread that boy down. There we go. I'll make sure that we are fully in, which I know. So now we can bring the gun, spend your money, make it fast. Get that boy there. Oh boy, I need a battery now. The battery is weak. Luckily I have another battery, but we can't do that right now. We're videoing already. Can't continue to take break. We're going on a commercial break. Kids going on a commercial break. Don't skip my commercial. That's funny, right? Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright, here we go. I can use this to tighten it because it's the same thing I use to lose it. So, like you're gonna tighten it like you're gonna break. It's, there we go, just like that. Oh yeah. I'll tie this side. There we go. So now we can go ahead and put back the shocks. Let's push this guy right here like this. Like this. And we'll lift up the shock now. And hang the shock back. Right now. Lift up that boy. Lift it up, baby. There we go. It's all up here now. For the 14 and the 12. Okay, so I'm gonna push this one this way like this. There we go. So let me go ahead and tie. Okay, so now we're gonna get this guy in there now. We're gonna put this bolt right here. You can see. Right? Yeah, we're gonna put this bolt right here and then it right there. So let me line that up and put it. Alright, so the bolt is there right now. See right there? So we're gonna put the 17 off. So the sway bar link is broken. I told the guy he has to get another one. So we can do a good job for him. I don't want to do a job then he's like, oh my God. Yeah, good afternoon, KGR. No, the links, the sway bar link. Yeah, if they don't have it, then yeah, the link. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. All right, got it. Let me tie that, and then they don't have the sway bar. So we're gonna put this guy back in here. So this is the time you need to eat some African food, because if you don't eat a good food. If you don't eat some good food here, you won't be able to bring this guy down, because you need some little muscles. You know, see there? See if my African food is still working. Push this guy right here. Oh boy. Here we go. Oh. I'm a little shit, boy. I need some more muscle. I have to call a conga now. Call some more conga here. Here we go. African food is still working. Wow, KG. You got some muscle there, boy. Push it down. Did you see that, boy? Man, KG got muscle, man. My muscle is even stronger than a conga. Put a conga on the screen there. Let me see how big is this Moses. Imagine KG getting into the ring with a conga. Boy, it will beat me up. A conga is gonna kill me in the ring there. Oh my God. I get in the ring with a conga, it will kill me. Don't think I think so. Oh my God. Oh my God. I must be crazy to get in the ring with a conga, man. It will beat me up like, tear my head up like. All right, so the Tuesday in feature, I'm just going to use a 17 to fill it up. That's pretty much it, you know. Okay, that's it. So make sure you put the color pin. Make sure the whole line up very well. Want to make sure we do an excellent job. Somebody better clap for me there. Anytime you're walking, your name is on the line, KG. You know, we are name brand right now. We are name brand. Don't forget, we're gonna be giving away some nice hats again this summer. All right, so that's pretty much it. Now, if you shake it now, you see, nothing is wiggling. Pum pum pum. So we're gonna put the butts right up here. Finish up this thing. All right, that's it on this video. I hope you learned something today. I did as well. Please support your boy by subscribing. Let's spread love in Brooklyn way. I will see you on my next episode. KG saying, you know the drill. We are gone.